Welcome to the OSM tutorial series. In today's session, we'll be exploring user management for Odoo within the OSM platform. Let's begin by selecting the instance you wish to manage users for. Next, navigate to the Users tab. Here, you'll see both active and archived Odoo users. Now let's add a new user. Let's call them User 1. And just like that, the new user has been successfully added. Let's explore additional actions available to you, such as suspending, unsuspending, and even impersonating an Odoo user without needing their password. Using the login feature, you can directly access the Odoo database as the selected user. This allows seamless impersonation for administrative tasks or troubleshooting. Once logged in, we can verify that the user has been added successfully within the Odoo database. To finalize, we'll go ahead and delete the user, confirming the action to complete the user lifecycle. And that concludes this tutorial. Congratulations! You now know how to efficiently manage Odoo users in OSM. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.